Done that assignment? Is there any echo?
Yes, sir.
Just wait. Yes, check my voice. Are you getting echo?
No, sir.
Okay. So, have you done the assignment? Have you completed the assignment? How many of you? Yes. Are you ready with your slide? How many of you are ready with your slide? Yes, randomly I will take someone. Siddharth Ahir, unmute yourself. Siddharth, are you there? Hmm? Unmute yourself, Siddharth. Have you done the assignment, Siddharth? Your mark is not working. Okay. Have you done the assignment? Just share your PPT. No? Why this is not done? If I ask something to do, then you should at least try. Have you tried? Yes, Siddharth. Yes, Shrutika Jadhav. Shrutika Jadhav, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Share your PPT. Share your slide.
सर मला ते
Hmm?
ड्रॉ करायचं नाही जमलं. एक्सप्रेशन.
Hello.
हॅलो सर.
Share your slide. Have you done or not? Hmm? Yes, Shrutika.
सर मला ते के मॅपचं नाही जमलं. एक्सप्रेशन कसं काढता ते?
Okay. Do you have anything on your slide?
Yes, sir. I write in board.
So you should have taken it on the slide, no? Taking snap. Now, if it is on the book, then it is difficult. Okay, with your back camera, you try to show. It becomes difficult to. It is very blur. Okay, somewhat. So you have taken 5 states: 0, 1, 4, 2. Sorry, 0, 5. How is the sequence? Okay, from anti-clockwise. 0, 1, 2, 4, 5. Okay, you have prepared state transition table also, but now K-map is easy, no? Isn't it? There should not be any problem with the K-map.
Sir, K-map is easy, but
Okay.
I cannot
So
make the expression.
for some of the expression, just show that particular state transition table clearly. Focus your camera. You look in your mobile and see it is not properly visible. The last rows. Okay. So if you look at KC, what is KC? It is either don't care or 1. So KC is 1. Okay. then KB is 1. Ah, these expressions are very simple. KC is equal to 1, KB equal to 1. Then what else? Okay, for rest you have to draw the K map and you have to get the expression. Hmm? Okay, good that you have tried and only in the last part uh, it was not completed. Do it. Okay. K map, go through the K map recorded lecture. Okay. And hmm. Okay. Next. Yes, Chandrakant. Phone Chandrakant. Unmute yourself.
सर नाही केलंय मी. हॅलो सर.
Yes, why you are not done? Hmm?
Sir, today I done, sir.
No, but you are supposed to present it today, no? Hmm? It's not done. Hmm? So if I give some assignment to you and it would not have taken more than half hour. Hmm? Yes, Prajakta Patil, unmute yourself and present your slide. Prajakta, are you there?
Oh, yes, sir. I have not completed.
Why? Hmm?
Sir, yesterday, because of network issue, I'm not getting clearly.
Then what I could say now? Hmm? Okay, you see that you are in proper network. You are not found out the place where you get the proper network. Hmm. Does it happen every day or it was yesterday?
No, sir. No, sir. Only yesterday because of rain.
Okay, you make sure that you get the good network. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Uh, uh, yes, Zahir Pathan, unmute yourself and present the slide. Present the work you have done. Are you there?
Yes, sir, I am there.
Uh,
Sir, actually,
huh?
I also forgot to do it. Means ते खरंच तर लक्षात नाही राहिलं माझ्या. माझं केलं सर.
No, then this kind of ignorance, it is not acceptable. Hmm?
No, sir, not ignorance. I was quite ill from 2 days.
Hmm.
म्हणजे खरंच लक्षात नाही गेलं. आज करतो सर.
But see, because of any problem, if you are not able to do, then you should report that. You should send me the message in private that, sir, you are given this assignment, but because of this reason, I could not done. I have not done it. Okay. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Yes, sir.
See,
Sorry.
when no, it is not for you, but for all the students, when your teacher is asking something to do you, then you must do it. And if you are not able to do it, then at least you should report that you are not done this because of so and so issue, isn't it? Hmm? In the last lecture, you have given me commitment that you will be doing it, and
Yes, sir.
you are not done. And specifically, I told you that everyone has to present. So I want everyone in the class to work actively and like one student has done. Okay, so she has done, and I could get that whatever I taught is understood to some level. Okay, now there are certain problems with the K map. So if really problems are there, then we can repeat K map. Okay. So like this, I also get the feedback from this. But if you are not working, then it will be difficult for me also. Okay, so
Yes.
whenever I give assignment, then you should do it. And deliberately, I have given assignment which will not take much time. Okay, so within 30 minutes, you, you could have done this. Okay,
Yes.
and yesterday I shared the slide, that animated slide. So have you gone through it? Hmm? All the students use your chat box on LMS. I uploaded it. Have you seen that? Use chat box. I hope all students are active and there. Why so less responses?
Hello, sir.
Hello,
Uh,
sir.
yes, yes. Hmm.
Sir, I am Vishal, sir. Hello.
Yes, Vishal.
सर मी काल ॲबसेंट होतो सर.
Okay.
मी म्हणजे असाइनमेंट करायला घेतली तर मी क्वेश्चन वगैरे विचारले पण ती जमली नाही त्यामुळे मी केली नाही सर.
But it was not difficult. It was not much difficult.
येस सर.
Hmm.
येस सर. आय ॲडमायर माय मिस्टेक तर पुन्हा होणार नाही सर.
Okay, okay.
येस सर.
Yes, now voluntary. Now I will not ask uh, someone, but those who have done the assignment and they have it to present. So come up voluntarily.
Hello, sir. I'm Nikita Bharat.
Yes.
Shall I present?
Yes, Nikita, come up.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. Good, good. Yeah.
Sir,
Uh,
is my screen is visible?
yes, yes. Your screen is visible.
Okay.
So yes, it's nice PPT you have prepared. So can you just explain what you have done for other students?
Yes, sir. I have made three. I used three unused. I used 5 states, and there are 3 unused states. I used 0, 2, 4, 5, and 6, 7.
7 is unused. Huh? The active states are 0, 2, 4, 5, and 6. Right?
State 4 and 6.
Your voice is not clear to me.
Is it clear now?
Okay, okay.
Okay. Then that are active states, and I made the table.
Okay, so you call this table as state transition table.
State
Okay.
transition table.
Okay, this is
Okay.
state transition diagram. Okay, this is state transition diagram, and this is
Table.
state transition table. Okay, what is state transition? What do you understand by state transition? Changing of state.
Sure.
Okay,
Yes.
right? So
Yes.
in the diagrammatically, it is shown on the left side, and it is shown with table. Okay, with the column present state, next state in the state transition table. Okay. Expressions.
Sir, I am not prepared expressions on KMAP.
Okay, but few expressions are very easy from the table you can
Yes,
get.
sir.
Which one?
Yes. KB and KC.
Hmm.
1, they are 1.
KB equal to 1 and KC equal to 1. Okay. Okay, good.
Sir, yesterday I got expression for J, but I didn't got expression for KB, K and
Okay.
JC.
Can you show that slide? J expression, K map, J K map.
Sir, I didn't made it on slide. I prepared it in
Okay.
notebook.
See, you can take snap and you can put that snap on the slide. Like that also you can do. Okay.
Okay, sir, but I did it roughly, na? So.
Okay. See, whatever you are done, I think it must have taken lot of time to do this graphics. Okay. So if you are interested in that, I don't mind. Means if your time and if you are interested, very good. You are prepared very good graphics. Okay. But if you do not have time, then in that case, you can simply draw it on your notebook, take a snap, and take that particular snap to your slide. Okay. So that is
Okay,
what
sir.
you can do it quickly. Okay. So
Yes.
so I don't know means how much time you get. Right now,
Sir, I done it in half hour.
yes, it does not take much time, but you should remember it, whatever assignment you are given. Hmm? Okay, so good,
Yes.
good. You are done good work. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
So you can unpresent yourself so that next one someone will come. Yes, voluntarily. Anyone else?
Hello, sir.
Yes. Yes. Aniket.
Sir, I didn't prepare slides, but I have a question on that.
On which slide? Last slide, which Nikita?
No, sir.
Okay.
Here, in I prepare for 0, 1, 3,
Hmm.
5, and 6.
Is it there in the notebook?
Yes, sir.
Present it.
Okay, sir.
Use your back camera. Focus it on your diagram. All other students have attention on this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Your camera is not on.
Sir, I have on. Is it visible?
Back camera. Your front camera is on.
Sir, I am using PC. Sir, I am PC.
I think you have network issue. Can you start your camera?
Okay, sir. But sir, simple question is, in GB equation, I got
Stop
only
your
GB
camera so that you will be clearly audible. Yes.
Yes, sir. I have stopped my camera.
Okay.
Yes, sir. The question is, I got a JB expression as B bar dot C. And how to represent it in that diagram?
K bar dot
B bar dot C.
B bar dot C.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have to draw it in the diagram, na?
Yes, sir.
What is your expression for KC? Or sorry, what for?
All other expression are same, sir. Only this expression becomes B bar dot C.
Repeat. What is the expression?
B bar dot C.
B bar dot C. For which one you got it?
JB.
JB. Okay. JB is equal to B bar dot C, right?
Yes, sir.
So you have to take B bar output, that is output of the B flip flop. Okay.
Okay, sir. And then C.
Then C. Okay. You have to take the output of C flip flop also. Okay. And you have to use AND gate. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you have to use AND
Yes,
gate.
sir.
So AND gate will be having two inputs. So to the inputs of AND gate, you give B bar and C. Okay.
Okay, sir.
What will be the output of the AND gate?
Will be B bar dot C.
B bar dot C, and give it to then JB. You want expression for
Yes, sir.
JB, na? So give it to JB.
Yes.
So that is how you
Yes, sir.
connect it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Anyone else who has done on this assignment in the group of?
Hello, sir.
Yes, Nandini Gujarati, na? Yes.
Sir, I have not prepared with K-map, but I was prepared with state transition table. Shall I
Yes.
present it?
Yeah. Present it.
Is it visible, sir?
Yeah. It is visible. Diagram is there. Okay, diagram is there. So 0, 2, 4. You're taken same state.
0, 2, 4, 5, and 6 and 7.
Your state and Nikita's states are same. Is it by chance or you
Sir,
work together or you
no,
copy?
sir. It is by chance.
It is by chance. Okay, hope so. Okay. So even if you have worked in the group, I don't mind that. Okay. But blindly copying, so it is not recommended. So I repeat, means if I give some assignment, if you are doing it in the group, no problem, you can do like that also. But you can clearly state that, and your contribution also should be there in that, right? So state transition table you have prepared. What about expression? What is the problem?
No, sir. Actually, I forgot to do the expression.
No, but you are done up to this, means you are knowing that expressions are to be
Yes, sir. Actually, I
written.
have prepared it in the morning, and I didn't have time to prepare the expression.
Okay. This is very good graphics you have prepared. So, are you preparing your notes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have the soft copy of the book?
Yes, sir.
Morris
Book.
memo.
No, sir.
I think I have already posted on the group. Am I posted or not? I think I have posted, I remember.
Yes, sir. Posted.
So go through that book.
Yes, sir.
So most of the time, whatever diagrams I am presenting on my slides, they are from that particular book. Okay, only in the case if some animation is to be shown, then in that case I prepare my own diagrams. Okay, but those diagrams are again very similar to the diagrams which are there in the book. Okay, so Morris Mano book. So if you are referring Morris Mano book, then that particular book's content or the slides contain whatever I am presenting. So they are in line with that particular book. Okay, so that there won't be any confusion. So for first reading, I recommend Morris Mano, and after that you can read any other book. Okay, so there are many other books also.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, you can unpresent this. Good work. Yes, anyone else done with this? So all students should do the work they are given. Okay, so that later on there won't be any problem. Many times what happens is that when you are attending the class, you find that you got all the concepts. Okay, you feel that you have understood each and everything. But when actually it comes to use that particular concept, when it actually comes to apply that particular concept, then you really find that you are facing certain problems, and sometimes by referring to your notes, by referring books, you are able to overcome it. So that is added learning to whatever you have learned. But sometimes it happens that even after reading, the problem is not solved. Then in that case, you need to discuss with your friend, and that is what is recommended. You should talk with your friend. You should discuss with your friends and come to the solution. So that will be learning for you also. That will be learning for your friend also, uh, because your friend might have taken some problem which may be easy in nature, and your problem may be a typical problem. So it will be learning. If you are helping other students, it will be really learning for the student who is responding also. Okay, so learning is the group activity. Okay, so don't feel that it is individual. Though we are uh, doing all this thing online, but it is recommended that you yourself also are meeting online, okay, in the video conferencing meeting. Do you do that? Means, is it only that when some teacher is calling you on the class, uh, then only you are here? Means talking or with your friends. So, is it that you are meeting
No, sir.
outside the class? Huh? So that should happen. That should happen. Uh, so in the next week, I will give you some activity which is to be prepared in the group. I will on our LMS, once that big group button is working properly. There is a facility that you can be in a different groups. Okay, group of 8 or group of 10, like that. Okay, and only 10 students will be able to discuss within yourself in the different groups. Okay, or otherwise you can also schedule the meetings, and you can work. Okay, but I expect that that should happen under the supervision of the teachers. Okay, so you can get some consent from the teachers to do that for solving the assignment in the group. uh, Otherwise also, if you are having very good collaboration with you, then also you can do it. Okay, probably the uh, mentor batch group will be the better solution. So uh, all the students in one mentor group, they can come and start discussion on the technical activities, okay, or assignments, like that. Okay, so that collaboration within the student, it should not be only for copying the assignment, but it should be to solve the assignment when that particular assignment cannot be solved from uh, by one person. Okay, now we have 10 minutes. I will quickly go through few of the slides. I think no one is there to present. Is anyone is having anything? So uh, we have done the design of synchronous counter in the last class, and hope you understood it. But you need to work on it, so that if you have any problems, then you will be able to overcome those problems. When you actually work on it, then only you will be able to understand it better. Okay, now there are, is the slide visible to all of you? Ring counter, the slide with ring counter.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So there are certain some special counters. Okay, for example, this is a ring counter. Okay. So it's like a shift register. Okay, so we shall be seeing how is the shift register. So this particular counter, it is in cascade. Okay, so because it is a synchronous counter, all the flip-flops clock is connected together and a clock input is given to it. Okay, how the flip-flops are shown here in this particular diagram? They are shown with T0, T1, T2 and T3. Okay, now the name T is used here. That means which flip-flops are these? Which are these flip-flops? These are T flip-flops. Okay, so we have yes. So we have three different types of flip-flops, that is JK flip-flop, D flip-flop and T flip-flop. So this is the T flip-flop, that is a toggle flip-flop used here. Okay, so here what is done is that the output of the first counter, output of the first flip-flop is given as input, T input to the second flip-flop. Output of the second flip-flop is given as T input to the third flip-flop. Like that is the connection. Okay, so if you make these such connections, okay, then in the beginning, if the flip-flop is reset, in the beginning, if the flip-flop is reset, okay, and to T0, what is given is 1. Okay, so the input that is given, or in the beginning, in the beginning, input given to the first flip-flop, it should be 1. That means you should make the first flip-flop set. Okay, and after that, you need to remove that particular input, and uh, the output of T3 flip-flop is given back to T0. Okay, so it is only in the beginning that T0 flip-flop, by using preset input, not the T input, by using the preset input, it need to be set, whereas the remaining flip-flop, it should be 0. Okay, so you can see here that T0 flip-flop is set when it is set. When the flip-flop is set, the flip-flop T0 is changing its state. When it is changing the state, if you see the clock, is it changing its state at the positive edge of the clock or negative edge of the clock? Negative edge. That means, so these flip-flops, are this flip-flop positive edge triggered flip-flop or negative edge triggered flip-flop? These toggle flip-flops.
Negative edge.
So all these toggle flip-flop, they are negative edge triggered flip-flop. Okay, so the first flip-flop is changing here. Okay, then what happens? The flip-flop will not change its state. So what is the output? It is, if you count from this T3, 0 0 0 1. Okay, then at the next negative edge of the clock, what happens? What happens at the next negative edge? The T1 flip-flop toggle, T1 flip-flop toggles. Okay,
T1
and this also toggles. T0 also toggles. Okay, why it toggles? T3 output of T3. Okay, just a minute. What happened here is T3 is so it is not directly the output to the, I think it is the complement of the output that is given to the next one. Okay, so If it is complement of this T3, so T3 is 0, so it will be 1. So if complement is given, then only T0 will toggle. See here what is happening. T0 is also toggled and T1 is also toggled. So here this 1 is going to shift from T0 to T1. Then at the next clock it shifts from uh, T1 to T2, that is all remaining they are 0, and from T2 it shifts to T3. Okay, so how actually happens here, so that I will explain. I think I need to draw this particular diagram elaborately, that how are those particular connections, then only we'll be able to comment on how this particular counter take the state, that is 0001, then 0010, then 0100 and 1000. Okay, so it is going to have only 4 states. Okay, that is only one of the flip flop is 1, while remaining flip flops they are 0. Okay, so such counter is called the ring counter. Okay, so it has got 4 states. Okay, but here the advantage with the ring counter is that you do not have any external circuit, so that is why this counter is easy to implement. Okay, so that is why it is called ring counter. Okay, then quickly another counter, that is the Johnson counter. So how is the Johnson counter? It is using the diagram is shown here with the D flip flop. Output of one flip flop is given to the another flip flop. Okay, whereas the output is given directly, but for the last flip flop, the complement of the output of the last flip flop is given to the first flip flop. Okay, so again here the design is such that you do not require any external gates. Okay, AND gate or OR gate like that. Okay, and if we do like this, then this particular counter will exhibit these states. Okay, that is 0000, 1000, 1100. You can draw a state transition diagram. Okay, so it will go through the state transition diagram will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry, what it will be? It will be 0. Okay, so this is the sequence number. This will be 0, then 8, then 12, then this is 14, then 15, then this one is 7, 3, and 1. Okay, and back to 0. So this is how you get the Johnson counter. Okay, so this is the Johnson counter if you make the connections like this. Okay, so with minimum number or with just by connecting this particular output of one flip flop to the other, you get such counters. Okay, so you can connect the make the connections, and you can find out what are the state, and you can name that particular counter with your name. But of course, if it becomes popular, then only that particular name will be used. Why? Because for that purpose, what is required, it should serve purpose. That means it should be useful in some application. If it is useful in the application, then that type of counter will be useful. Okay, because here there are many number of state. With the ring counter there are only 4 states, but here in this counter there are many states, that is up to 8 states. So that is why this particular counter is popular, and because very less number of or no external gates are required, no additional circuitry is required for this. So because Johnson has invented it first, so the name Johnson counter is given to this. Okay, so with this we come to the end of the counter. In the next class we shall see shift registers. Okay, in this week I may not be able to conduct the remaining 2 classes. If I get time, then I will schedule tests for it, or otherwise some other teacher will engage you. Okay, so we shall stop it here today. Any problems?
Attendance.
Attendance. Okay, I will start the attendance. Okay, so the time will be up to 10, you can mark your attendance. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
काय सौरभ.
हॅलो बोल ना हुशान. हॅलो हॅलो